Hey there, infrastructure enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of unseen heroes, the spandrel beams. These guys might not be the stars of the construction show, but trust me, they play a vital role in keeping our buildings strong and beautiful. Ever wondered how skyscrapers reach for the clouds or how bridges defy gravity? Well, spandrel beams are often the secret ingredient in these feats of engineering. So, buckle up because we're about to break down the fascinating world of these hidden superstars. Spandrel beams, the unsung heroes of construction. Let's imagine a building as a body. The foundation is the skeleton, the walls are the muscles, and the floors are the floors. But what about the gaps between the floors and the exterior walls? That's where the spandrel beams come in. These beams act like the internal support system, spanning between the columns and the exterior walls on each floor. They're basically the invisible braces that hold everything together, ensuring the building can withstand its own weight and all those pesky external forces like wind and earthquakes. Supporting the glory spandrel beams provide crucial support for the exterior walls, especially on those high-rise buildings. Imagine all that glass and metal hanging off the side. The spandrel beams are the ones holding it all up, making sure the facade doesn't become a gravity-defying disaster. Fire safety first. Some spandrel beams are specifically designed to be fire-resistant. In the unfortunate event of a fire, these beams can help prevent the flames from spreading from floor to floor, giving people more time to evacuate. Space savers. In some clever designs, spandrel beams can actually incorporate the building's HVAC systems or electrical wiring. This frees up valuable space within the floors themselves, making for a more efficient use of real estate. Architects' playground spandrel beams can be constructed from a variety of materials, including steel, concrete, and even pre-stressed concrete. This allows architects to get creative and design beams that complement the overall aesthetic of the building. For instance, some architects might choose to expose the beams on the outside of the building, turning them into a design feature. Let's talk different types of spandrel beams. There are two main types of spandrel beams: simple spandrel beams. These are the workhorses of the beam world. They're typically made of reinforced concrete and are designed to carry vertical loads from the floors above. Spandrel girders. These guys are the ultimate heavy lifters. They're constructed from steel and are used in situations where there are large spans or heavy loads to support. Think of them as the Arnold Schwarzeneggers of the spandrel beam family. So, the next time you look up at a towering skyscraper, remember the unseen heroes holding it all together, the spandrel beams. These architectural marvels are a testament to human ingenuity and play a crucial role in making our buildings strong, safe, and sometimes even stylish. Have you ever noticed spandrel beams in a building's design? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions about these fascinating structural elements, don't hesitate to ask. The world of construction may seem complex, but by breaking it down piece by piece, we can all become infrastructure enthusiasts.